Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside settings so you can change keys safely. Click the time in the shelf, then the gear to open settings. Next, choose Device and Keyboard. Once there, look for the search or launcher key and the row labeled Caps Lock. You're doing this because Chromebooks use a launcher key by default, and you need to remap it to behave as Caps Lock. Now that you're viewing the keyboard options, get ready to change the specific key assignment. You'll remap the key now. Open the Launcher/Search dropdown and select Caps Lock from the list. This tells the OS to treat that key as Caps Lock. Once done, look over other modifier key dropdowns in the same panel and tweak Control or Alt if you rely on different layouts. After making changes, press the remapped key to confirm it toggles uppercase typing. If it doesn't, undo and reselect the option. Occasionally, the UI needs a repeat selection to register. You're almost done. Verify by typing in a text box and toggling the new Caps Lock key. Once you see uppercase letters, the change is complete. Make sure to sign out and sign back in, or restart the Chromebook if the mapping didn't apply immediately. Sometimes a session restart is required. If problems persist, check for Chrome OS updates and revisit device right arrow keyboard to reset to defaults, and only then reapply your mapping. This resolves most stubborn configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.